Hello and welcome to our ultimate guide on how to lose weight for hikers. Whether you are a seasoned hiker or a beginner, carrying extra weight can make your hiking experience uncomfortable and less enjoyable. That's why we've put together some tips and tricks to help you shed those extra pounds and get in shape for your next adventure. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the tips, let's first understand why weight loss is important for hikers. Hiking is a physically demanding activity that requires a lot of energy and endurance. The more weight you carry, the more energy you burn, and the quicker you tire out. Losing weight can help you conserve energy, reduce the risk of injury, and make your hikes more enjoyable. Watch your diet. One of the most effective ways to lose weight is to watch what you eat. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help you maintain a healthy weight and provide you with the energy you need for hiking. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-fat foods, as they can lead to weight gain and sluggishness. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Dehydration can slow down your metabolism and make it harder for your body to burn calories. Carry a water bottle with you and drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. You can also include other hydrating fluids such as coconut water or herbal tea. Incorporate strength training. Strength training can help you build muscle and increase your metabolism, which can help you burn calories even when you're not exercising. Incorporate strength training exercises such as squats, lunges, and push-ups into your workout routine. You can use resistance bands or weights for added resistance. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise is essential for weight loss and improving your overall fitness. It helps you burn calories and fat, improves your heart health, and increases your endurance. Incorporate activities such as running, cycling, or swimming into your routine for at least 30 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week. Get adequate rest. Rest is crucial for weight loss and overall health. When you're tired, you're more likely to overeat and skip exercise. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to give your body the rest it needs to recover and recharge. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our ultimate guide on how to lose weight for hikers. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful and that you'll incorporate them into your daily routine. Remember, losing weight takes time and effort. So be patient and persistent. With the right mindset and discipline, you can achieve your fitness goals and conquer any trail with ease. If you like our videos, then hit like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.